Hey there, this is Steve from NYU Libraries. Here's how it works. Here we are at the NYU Library homepage, and I'm just going to paste the ISBN for that first book in our Books and More tab. Click on Go. It takes me to that first result, Social Justice and Multicultural Counseling. We have different copies of it, but right over here, I can click on Full Text Online and narrow down the results to what's available online as an ebook. If I click on Check Availability, it'll tell me whether or not we have it online. We do have it online a couple of ways, through Springer Link, which is the host publisher page, and through eBook Central. Either one of these will take you to the book. So you just click on the link, and it'll take you to it. And you can do the same thing for the other book by copying the ISBN and pasting it into the library catalog Books and More tab here. So that's how it works. If you have any questions, let me know.